I'd like to elaborate on how we're planning to leverage hydrogen on that carbon journey.
What's prompted the revision on its guidelines for output when it comes to their cars?
Could this be the car of the future?
Toyota's CEO has revealed a game-changing new engine that he claims will destroy the entire EV industry. The end of EVs could be near, and we're here to give you all the details. In this video, we'll dive into what this new engine is, how it works, and the potential impact it could have on the future of transportation. So buckle up and get ready to witness the next big thing in automotive innovation. Have you heard about Toyota's latest breakthrough in the automotive industry? It's not just any ordinary vehicle, but a revolutionary hydrogen combustion engine. You might be familiar with Toyota's Mirai, which uses fuel cells to generate electricity, but this new technology is completely different. Now you might be wondering, why is Toyota going down a different path when everyone else is going electric? Toyota is determined to push the boundaries and raise the bar higher than just being unique for the sake of it. They're striving to surpass and transcend the current standards in their pursuit of excellence. So let's take a closer look at their new hydrogen combustion engine, how it works, and what it means for the industry. We all know the world is facing a significant environmental crisis, and transportation is responsible for a whopping 15% of global carbon emissions. Traditional combustion engines have been a significant contributor to the pollution problem, and while electric cars are gaining popularity, some argue that they're not the only solution. That's where Toyota's new approach comes in, the hydrogen combustion engine. Hydrogen, which is the most abundant element in the universe, has the highest specific energy density of any non-nuclear power source. It's exhaust-free and non-toxic, can be created from various sources, and shipped relatively easily. Millions of tons of hydrogen are already produced and used every year without any incidents, and it's already being used as a power source in buildings, electric cars, forklifts, ships, and trains. With the introduction of Toyota's new hydrogen combustion engine, we can expect even more significant advancements in the industry. The hydrogen combustion engine technology uses hydrogen as fuel, which is then burned in the engine to produce power, releasing only water and heat as byproducts. This means that the technology can potentially offer a cleaner, more sustainable, and more reliable option for vehicles. Are hydrogen engines the key to the future of sustainable transportation? Let's explore the advantages of this innovative technology and find out why it may offer a cleaner, more reliable option for vehicles. Hydrogen engines are a fascinating technology that offers significant benefits over traditional combustion engines and electric cars. Unlike electric vehicles, these engines do not require recharging, and they have a longer range. Moreover, they are environmentally friendly, emitting only water as a byproduct of their operation, and they do not contribute to air pollution. To understand how hydrogen engines work, it's essential to understand fuel cells. Fuel cells are remarkable tools that transform hydrogen into usable electricity. They operate by combining hydrogen with oxygen from the air to produce electricity, water, and heat. This process is highly efficient, producing a large amount of electricity from a small amount of hydrogen. Hydrogen has the highest specific energy density of any non-nuclear power source, making it an excellent choice for fuel cells. So how does Toyota's new hydrogen combustion engine differ from the fuel cell technology used in their previous hydrogen-powered vehicle, the Mirai? Let's take a closer look. Toyota has been leading the way in developing hydrogen-powered vehicles since 1997, when they first launched the Prius. The company has been committed to creating eco-friendly vehicles, and its latest concept car, the Corolla Cross H2, is no exception. The vehicle features a new type of hydrogen combustion engine that differs from the fuel cell technology used in Toyota's previous hydrogen-powered vehicle, the Mirai. Hydrogen is also an efficient and cost-effective fuel source once it has been produced. Most new vehicle hydrogen refueling stations use electrolysis to create hydrogen on-site using 100% renewable surplus energy. These stations are containerized and require only water and power to operate, making them easy to set up and run. While the concept of using hydrogen to power internal combustion engines is not new, Toyota's approach is different from BMW's previous attempts at the technology. BMW's Hydrogen 7, for example, was based on a traditional gasoline-powered V12 engine modified to burn hydrogen. It had some significant downsides, such as being highly flammable and difficult to store and process. Have you ever pondered what lies ahead for the automotive industry's technological advancements? Well, Toyota is paving the way with their H2 technology, which is short for hydrogen-powered internal combustion engines. They believe that there is no single solution to reducing vehicle emissions or meeting customer transport needs, so they are investing in all areas to meet immediate, medium-term, and long-term needs throughout the world. But how does this innovative technology work, and what makes it so groundbreaking? Toyota's GR Corolla H2 is equipped with a 1.6-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine that runs on hydrogen thanks to thick, armored fuel tanks that store the highly flammable gas, which they picked up from their FCEV, the Mirai. With just 5 kilograms of hydrogen, the car can be driven for up to 300 miles, emitting only 50 liters of water as a byproduct. Not only is this car one of the most ecologically sound options available, but Toyota has also collaborated with Yamaha Motor to produce a V8 engine powered by hydrogen. This engine produces 455 horsepower and 398 pounds-per-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful engines available. And the 8-to-1 top-mounted exhaust manifold creates a unique high-frequency sound, making it a showstopper for car enthusiasts. Compared to electric cars, hydrogen-fueled vehicles have longer range and quicker refueling times. The GR Yaris H2 can be refueled in just 90 seconds, and it reduces the need for limited supply materials like lithium and nickel, which are used in EV battery packs. Additionally, real-world testing of the GR Corolla H2 is already underway, and it won't be long before we see these cars hitting the road. So whether you're a gearhead or just someone who loves cutting-edge technology, the Toyota hydrogen combustion engine is something to keep an eye on. Forget everything you know about electric cars, because the Toyota H2 engine has a lot of advantages over them. The biggest one is that it has a larger range and refueling is as fast as a drag race. With Toyota's commitment to environmentally friendly technology, it's clear that the future is bright for hydrogen-powered cars. Not only is this technology beneficial to drivers, but it's also environmentally friendly. And here's the kicker: the Toyota hydrogen engine requires significantly less rare materials than EV batteries. Plus, with a smaller battery than electric cars, the Corolla Cross H2 concept car is currently undergoing real-world evaluation and winter road condition testing in northern Japan. What's more, the Japanese government has high hopes for hydrogen and plans to have 200,000 fuel cell-powered vehicles on the road by 2025 and 800,000 by 2030, with more refueling stations planned across the country. And speaking of refueling, let's talk about the benefits of hydrogen-powered vehicles compared to electric cars. The main drawback of electric cars is charging, but with hydrogen, it's no big deal. Just like an ICE car, hydrogen takes 90 seconds to fill up, and it integrates well with traditional gas stations. But what about the sound and safety? Toyota's got you covered there too. The exhaust spark of the hydrogen engine is no different from a tuned gasoline-powered vehicle, and with no fossil fuels to burn, it emits nearly no CO2. And as for safety, Toyota has added stronger connecting rods, harder valves and valve seats, and fuel injectors that use gas instead of liquid, so you can ride with confidence. The benefits of the Toyota hydrogen engine are numerous, with fewer raw materials required to produce it, a smaller battery, and faster refueling times. It's an eco-friendly and practical option for drivers. And with the innovative technology already being put to the test in real-world evaluations, it's only a matter of time before we see more of these vehicles on the road. So keep your eyes peeled, because the future of automotive technology is here, and it's looking bright. As always, we want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on this engine? Do you think EVs will be something of the past? Or do you think Toyota is going down the wrong path? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Progressive Innovation, for more updates on the latest advancement in technology and innovation. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.